one problem that universities face is that when students enroll in some degree programs, in the first couple of years, 30% of the students, they drop out. The reason being, the students find out that whatever they enrolled in, that it was of no interest to them. And they enrolled themselves in based on the recommendations of family or career counselors and what have you. And belonging to the Indian community, we know how much pressure there is to go into engineering or a medical profession or something along those lines. So what we did was we collected a whole bunch of data from hundreds of thousands of students, from their school transcripts, from their aptitude scores, their interest levels. And just like what we were mentioning earlier, we found the patterns of, which student likes what kind of course. And not only like, but what are they capable of completing as a course for their degree program. So once we have that model, we used it to recommend courses, just like Netflix recommends shows to us. So the idea is to give the students exactly what they are interested in and are capable of completing. And that is the program that we built, which got mentions from Obama and Bill Gates. In fact, Bill Gates actually invested in the project as well.
Isn't that amazing? And what a contribution, and such an original thing to do. Manuj, what were your challenges when you were working on this?
Challenge in all data projects is collecting the data. That's the biggest challenge. Okay, so as I said earlier, if we were not able to collect the data, historical data for all these students, we will have no model to go with. We will have no pattern that we would have found. So the project lasted for about a year, and for about 6 to 7, I will say about 6 to 8 months, our main focus was talking to the schools and convincing them that we need this data and trying to figure out how to extract that data in an automated way, right? The rest was simpler because we just had to tweak the algorithms, find the patterns, and then sort of, optimize it to produce the results for the